Hey, internet. Okay, so fair warning, I haven't really planned this one out. I'm just kind of, winging it today. So, for context, crypto mining has basically been my weird obsession for the past few years. Like, I got pulled into it pretty casually at first, and then it just snowballed into this whole thing where I'm constantly down rabbit holes, testing out new platforms, new tools, just, poking around and seeing what actually checks out. Google, browsing YouTube, going through Reddit threads, hanging around crypto forums, you are being absolutely bombarded with stuff that's just, engineered to scam, like an uncomfortable amount of it. So just keep that in the back of your head whenever you're researching anything in this space. Okay, but so, this cloud mining app called solidhash has been sitting on my testing list for the past couple weeks, and today I'm literally just going to screen share the whole thing and walk you through it. What cloud mining is, what the process looks like. Okay, so let's just start from scratch here. So very first thing, I'm clicking Start Mining Now right here. Good. Okay, so now it's got the coin selection up. I'm picking Ethereum, though heads up that this platform actually runs pretty much everything you'd care about. Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Ripple, Cardano, Tron, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so I'm going Continue with ETH right here. Nice. So now it needs my wallet address. Let me just jump into my wallet, copying and hopping back over here, pasting it into this field. Good, that's done. Okay, so now we've got these two settings, hash rate power and mining speed mode. So, okay, the way I think about it, these are basically your throttle controls, One dictates how much raw computing power gets pointed at my session, the other controls the processing speed. And the catch being, wind them up, and yeah, you're running faster, but the platform fees move up with them. So just, calibrate them to whatever makes sense for what you're trying to do. So now I'm filling in my mining target right here. Basically, a roadmap shows the crypto amount you're aiming for, the dollar value on it, and the projected time frame to get there. Okay, everything's looking solid. Tapping Start Mining, and nice, it's running. All the real-time data is sitting right here on the dashboard. So let's just let it run for a few minutes. And I've successfully mined my crypto, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before it'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the computing clusters that handled the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. So, okay, I'm copying this address, just 1 second. And good, then clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. And good, funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance. Okay, so while this is doing its thing, I want to get into something because honestly, I've been on the wrong end of some pretty bad situations in this space, and I figure, might as well just talk about it openly. So the very first check I run now, before I even consider a platform, I look at their social media history. Not just, that they have an Instagram or a Twitter, but how far back the posts actually go, whether the engagement looks organic, whether the comments sections are full of real people or just copy-paste responses from accounts created last Tuesday. A platform that's been genuinely operating for years has a traceable social footprint, It's just there. And one more. Check if they've published any independent security audits. Like legitimate platforms will have third-party cybersecurity firms that have actually looked under the hood and published reports you can verify. Because that's not something you can just, fake easily. So if they've got nothing like that to point to, just factor that in before you commit anything. Okay, so look, I know that was kind of a lot to throw at you, but genuinely, if running through those things saves even one person watching this from losing funds they didn't have to lose, then, worth it. Drop any questions in the comments. I actually read through them. And if you want to check solidhash out yourself, links down in the description and pinned in the comments.
All right, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Bye.